Hi everyone, hope all of you are in good shape and good health and also sincerely preparing for this exam. Now that things have settled down with 2019 results out and 2021 prelims and mains exam being confirmed, it is rest assured that the exam will be held on 4th October. So I completely understand what must be going on in your mind right now. So the very next question would be like, what should be my strategy for the remaining days? It can be 40 days, it can be 45 days. Uh, in order to ease your preparation, to take your preparation to the next level, and to make sure that you use this next 40 days efficiently and effectively, we are coming up with a webinar on 25th August at 8 p.m. Why this particular time is so that even the working professionals can join. Fine, it's on Tuesday, 25th of August, and the other thing is what I can assure you is from this session, this particular webinar will really make an impact in your prelims exam. Definitely it will make a lot of difference. The speakers that would be joining me is Gunjan, All India rank 16, IS Baba's ILP student, and Yash Pratap Shrimal, All India rank 192 with our TLP student. Why I was so specific in inviting these two people is it's because of their sheer experience, right? Gunjan has given it was a third attempt, and Yash Pratap's it was his sixth attempt. Of course, I'm not taking the credibility of students who cracked it in the first or the second attempt, but the experience will definitely make a difference because of there'll be a lot of learnings, the mistakes committed, right? Just like it can be even Dhoni or Kohli or even Sachin Tendulkar, the experience that they've gained cannot be matched by anything else, right? So you can you can learn a lot from that. So that is the same reason we've called them. With Gunjan, and you can. The thing is, their experience will be equally good for both beginners who want to crack this exam in the first attempt, and also for seniors who have not been able to crack this exam also from 2 attempts, 3 attempts it can be, because it would be the same mistake that they would have committed. If I have to take Gunjan for instance, it is like she could not clear her prelims by just cut off by just 1 mark in her first attempt, and second attempt she goes on to clear the cutoff by 3 marks, and in a third attempt she has even cleared Indian Forest Service. So the cutoff this time was around 116. So I think at around 120 plus she would have scored. And the other person, that is Yash Pratap Shrimal, I think he is one of the best persons to actually help you out here, because first attempt he had scored 60, 62, and from there onwards there was never looking back. It was like 142, then 132, then 126 and 124. So all, if you take it as an average, like the last 4-5 attempts of his, it is like 125 plus. So obviously there'll be a lot of learnings, the Gyan, and how was he able to consistently score over all the years, that to 125 plus, right? So you must be wondering, and definitely you'll get to know more about this in the webinar. And of course, I'll also be there. I'll be sharing my wisdom and experience here in guiding students. Uh, what I strongly believe is prelims is a game of mental strength and common sense. Uh, of course, knowledge plays a very important role here. At least 60 to 70%. It depends on the knowledge and your revision, all that. But remaining 25 to 30% is on your mental strength. How you can remain calm in the exam, and how you can use your common sense and get your answers right. In fact, I've made a few videos on how to use common sense and crack prelims. At least 18 to 19 questions I was able to do it in 2019 and 2018 paper. Uh, so that is the reason I say it becomes very important here. The common sense part also becomes very important, and also the dicey nature of prelims, or unpredictability nature of the prelims, right? All that will be discussed in the webinar. How to handle the unpredictability nature of prelims, or even how many questions to attempt, what questions to leave, and how many rounds to go about in the test. How to handle the anxiety and the pressure on the D-day of the exam, or it can be even how to revise, or how to deal with current affairs, or even it can be with regard to what should be the focus area on economic survey and budget, or how to go about reading an atlas, right? Because it can range to any extent possible. Anyway, it's a live session. Along with your questions, these are the important topics also that will be discussed, right? And in the webinar, the first 250 students can have two-way interaction, and the remaining students who register will have one-way interaction, and the capacity, the bandwidth for this is like it can like around at a time around 10,000 students can watch this, right? So what I can assure you is this is going to be a one crucial session that will really make an impact in your prelims this time. Make sure that you effectively use this session, and the webinar link is given below. You can register there, and also you can subscribe to the IS Baba's YouTube channel for regular updates, and see you in the webinar. All the best.